Hey, welcome back everybody.
Hello.
If you're new to the channel, I'm Dan.
I'm Michelle.
And this week we are east of Phoenix. About a month ago we started a trail along Arnett Creek. I think it was called the Lost Trail or something like that. And we said that we'd be back. Well, we're back. So we would have been back sooner.
Well, it's a different section.
Yeah, we're back doing the other section.
It's not the same trail.
Would have been back sooner, but the Ren Fair was in town and the main highway getting out here is the same, so the traffic was all backed up. We didn't want to mess with that. But yeah, this should be a good trip. Hopefully we'll finish Arnett Canyon Trail, and I think there's Telegraph Trail, and see it from a different angle, different viewpoint. Yeah, so come along, let's go for a hike. Go. Give you guys a little bit of a view here. This is the town of Superior that we're looking at right now. This is the same town that had some significant flooding this past year. That sea of green that you see going from over here to that way, that is I believe Queen Creek. And I wanted for you guys to check this out, but see that big old cave over there? I think that's pretty cool.
This is an ocotillo. So you guys see what those look like. They're just all starting to bloom. They bloom like orange flowers. They're really pretty. So we ran into an old fence line. They secured it to the side of the mountain, and then it went across the trail now. Not necessarily there was a trail back then, and then all remnants of it all go across all the way up over there. So I don't think any of this is private property, but maybe at one time segments of it were, or cross property lines. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous out here. So pretty. We're in like a canyon. It's beautiful. So the bees are out in full, you guys. Tons of bees. A lot of them are ground bees, but wow. There's a piece of dried out cholla. Oh, look at this grass, you guys. I don't know, it just looks so pretty to me. I'm just loving it. It's all throughout here. All right, looks like we're coming up to the intersection of where we hiked about a month ago. We actually came in from that direction in that area of the canyon. So we're at kind of the crossroad. And then here's the sign, which you guys would have seen on a couple videos ago. So we got the Lost Trail, which is what we did. And then we just came from Superior area. And then of course there's the Picket Post and Arnett and forest roads and stuff. So, but this day is gorgeous. We've been actually sightseeing a lot on this hike. Just nature and lots of different species of bees out here, and ran into some ant piles and was watching them for a minute. And yeah, it's just a beautiful morning. Yeah, the last hike we did in this area, there was actually water in this creek. I believe this is Arnett Creek. But yeah, there was water in here. We just came upon a dead coyote. It's a smaller one. So then of course we were talking about what could have killed it or how it died. But, ooh, it's got a broken bone. It's one of its legs is broken.
All right, folks, we are at the point where we turned around on our last trip. We're about to enter Telegraph Canyon. We did not have time to do this last time we were out here, so yeah, let's take a look. This is the canyon that we're walking down, or walking through, or going to be walking through. There was a sign earlier as we entered this area that they're working on this, and that areas may not be passable because they're doing some trail maintenance. So this may be a shorter jaunt than going all the way to our intended end and turnaround point, but we'll see. So yeah, it didn't say it was completely closed, so we figured we turn around when we can't go anymore, if it's truly impassable. Wonder how many guys are on this trail maintenance crew, or excuse me, how many guys or gals are on this trail maintenance crew. They're making a little pass. I love seeing the outcome of a trail maintenance crew as they've come through. They did a real good job. There's a lot of clearing, work, and this is all really rocky too. So it's well established. It's clear so far. We'll see how far they made it. Check out this area right here, and you can see a lot of hard rock on the right, but you can see all the pickaxe marks of that trail crew chopping away at it to give hikers and recreational people a nice little ledge. But yeah, there's their rock spoils. Yeah, hats off to the guys and gals who were on this crew. If you guys are happen to see this video, thank you. Appreciate what you do.
Just want to show you guys this crevice. Oh, there's a bird up there soaring. You guys can see it. Alright guys, we hit the end of the Telegraph Trail. It was 2.75 miles one way. It ended up at, which we knew it was going to, it ended up in an old service dirt road. Actually, it looks like it might still be in use. I don't know. Either way, great trail. We're just looking at some rocks through the wash and sat down for a couple of minutes and cleaned out our boots because we had a bunch of stuff in our shoes. But we're gonna head back, huh?
I was like, you clean out your boots.
You just did right now. We both did. But we're gonna head back. We are gonna go back the same way. So we're doing an in and out only because they're an out and back. There's not a good way to circle around with this one. We were just looking at the map. It just takes us way too far out of the way from our vehicle. So yep, we're heading back, and thanks for coming along with us. It's been a beautiful morning, and we will see you on the next trip. And yeah.
Until next time.
Till next time.
Thanks.
Bye guys.